interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Crypto Evan. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Crypto Evan, guys, this project website is in progress. This project website is coming soon. So guys, you can join this project on Twitter page. So first of all, you can follow this project Twitter page, and next we discuss more detail about this project Crypto Evan. You can see this Crypto Evan good news today for Crypto Evan. You can see this Crypto Evan gmium.world and profile Crypto Evan. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this gmium.world page is open. So guys, you can see this all detail, profile, avatar, Crypto Evan. You can see this all graph. You can see this one whole graph amount is high. You can see this amount is low and high now. You can see this. So first of all, guys, you can log in now. You can click here and log in now. You can see this what is valid. A home for your digital assets. Wallets are used to send, see, store and display digital assets like Ethereum and NFTs. Are new way to log in instead of creating new accounts and password on every website. Just connect your wallet. So guys, you can see you can connect following wallet: Coinbase wallet, MetaMask wallet, Wallet Connect. So I have now MetaMask wallet, so I connect now. You can click here and see this my wallet is loading. So guys, it take time. Then you can see this my wallet is open now. So I connect now. So guys, you can check here my MetaMask connection in is loading. So guys, you can see this. You can wait now. So guys, you can see this connect with MetaMask. Select the account to use on this site. So guys, you can click here. Then you can click this next option. And next guys, you can see this. You can connect to account now. You can click this and see this connecting. You can send a message now. You can click here and waiting for signature. Connect your wallet, sign a valid message to confirm ownership and authorize connection. You can see this my MetaMask wallet is open. You can see the signature request. So I sign in now. You can click this and see this. So guys, you can see this my wallet is connect now. You can see this point detail. You can swap now. You can click here and then you can enter your BNB amount. Then you can select token. So you can click this and select token Crypto Evan. Then you can buy now. You can swap now, and next you can click here and see these points detail. You can see these airdrop points, invites remaining, total referrals to earn. You can see this earn fee from your referral transaction. Get 2,500 points for each referrer who launch their profile. You can see this get 1000 points for launching profiles. You can see daily point. You can claim your daily points now. You can invite your friend. You can see this referral link. You can copy this link, then you can invite your friend now. And next you can see this retail. You can see this Crypto M1. You can see this contract address. You can see the BNB smart chain contract address. You can see the spotters, spotting land, visits home. You can see this retail. And next you can click here and see this. You can see this total balance. You can claim hero now. You can see this claim platform, claim creator. You can click this and see this all token MSTs token detail. You can click to copy now, and then you can swap now and buy now. And next we back to the Twitter page. So guys, you can check here. You can see these great advance are coming. You can see this. You can see this graph of this project Crypto Evan. You can see this amount graph 0.00158. You can see this 24 shot. You can see one shot, 1 million, 1 year. You can select now. You can click this and 1 million. Then you can see this page is loading now, so it's take time. Then you can see this your page is open now. So guys, you can see this my page is loading, so it's take time. Then you can see this page is open now, and next we back to the home page and see this more detail. You can see this Coinbase. You can see shoot this. You can select now. New listing is coming soon on Coinbase. You can see Crypto Evan will be listing on Binance new listing. You can see this detail about this project. You can click here and see these replies of this Twitter page Crypto Evan. You can see these replies reply the listing on Coinbase. You can check here all detail. Next you can see these highlights detail. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, it's take time. Then you can see this page is open. You can see this all highlight detail, list the top 5 meme coin. You can see this is the top 5 meme coins. You can see this detail, who is the next meme coin in next bull run. You can see this Doggy, Shiba, Pippi, Bonk. You can see 2024 who is the next. So guys, you can see this, and next you can see this information about this project. You can see this good morning crypto X family. If you are a proud holder for a potential coin, like and retweet. Also write in the comment. You can see this retail which has most active community this month. You can select now number 1 cat coin, number 2 COQ, number 3 FEG token, number 4 grok. You can, so guys, you can select now, then you can like and retweet now. You can see this retail. You can check here, and next you can see this media detail of this project. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see these pictures about this project crypto Evan. You can see this, you can click here and see this picture about this project crypto Evan. And now guys, you can see these likes. You can click here and see this crypto one or Evan offshore Twitter page likes. You can see this all is the likes of this project crypto Evan. And next you can click here posts and see this more post about this project. You can see the all is important post about this project crypto Evan. Is it's chill time. Tag your favorite crypto community. You can tag your favorite crypto community now. You can see this chilling start now. You can see this all detail about this project. You can see this, and next we go to this project official Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can check here crypto Evan chat here official Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here 801 members that join this group. You can see this analyze the cheapest and most suitable project in max and earn 2x to 10x profit. Be careful, do not believe scammers now. So guys, you can join this group and see information about this project crypto Evan. And next we back to this homepage. So guys, this website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.